Put all my feelings in this song. On gang.
Facts.
You know that's a fact.
Let me talk to you.
This one for you, Pooh. I don't want nobody else but you, so baby girl, tell me what you wanna do. With you by my side, feeling like I can't lose. Young high hair, round with the two. Say young high hair, round with the two. Catch a nigga lacking, we gon' put him on the news. And you know how I'm living, ain't much that you can do. And I laugh every time you saying that we through. Cause how could you leave after all we been through? You be trippin' when I say I'm in the stew. I'm a low nigga, so I call your ass cool. Can't need a cap, you gon' always be my boo. You telling me you love me, I say I love you too. Everything you saying, swear it better be the truth. Don't lie to me and I won't lie to you. Wanna put you in a two-door coupe. Lay you in the bed, slurp that pussy like some soup. Hit it from the back, get the call of you Pooh. Hit it all night till the sky turn blue. Put my tip in, now you hollering ooh. But I feel like I'm too deep in them streets. Won't let you and my mama bury me. Before that happens, rather receive a plea and let the judge go ahead and sentence me. But I'm 10 toes down, I will never fold. I'm a leprechaun and you my pot of gold. My last bitch when she had my heart cold. But you bring it back and you knowin' that's a fact. If we get pulled, you gon' hold my strap. Sorry, I've been gone all day in the trap. On my way home, babe, please hand me a rap so I can sit back and watch this money stack. You got my front end, I got your back. Watch over me while I pull up this act. Shorty so bad, tell her cut them some slack. Hair's done, nails done, she don't know how to act. If we break up, then we bounce it right back. Forever me and you when you knowin' that's a fact. Forever me and you when you knowin' that's a fact. Forever me and you when you knowin' that's a fact. You my one and only girl, that's why I'm writing you this. You kept it A1, so you a down ass bitch. Shorty held a nigga, that's why I respect her for that shit. When I was in that cell, girl, I still reminisce. Say I'm finna be home, can we get back on track? Lay down on your stomach, baby, let me rub your back and let me eat that pussy up like an afternoon snack. And tell you that I love you cause I really mean that. I'ma be the first to say I apologize for the shit that I put you through, I ain't really mean it. Hustling on the block trying to get a quick flip. I told you I'll stop so you wouldn't need a trip. I told you I'll stop so you wouldn't need a trip. Told you I'll stop so you wouldn't need a trip. Told you I'll stop so you wouldn't need a trip. On gang. I don't want nobody else but you. You know the vibes. Hey.
Run it back again, Capone.